What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Velo, which has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, 32% up guys, nearly hitting the 1 cent target. So we're going to be going through, is it worth investing into the crypto right now? Is it too late? And for those of you who did invest into it a couple of days ago, is it time to sell it, take out your profits, or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes past the 1 cent target over the coming days? And essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Velo go, and is there a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours. And yes guys, Velo is one of the top gainers. As you can see, in the last hour itself, it has dropped a percentage. However, over the last 24 hours, it is up a massive 32%. It did go up nearly 34-35% earlier on about a couple of hours ago, but right now it's slowly starting to drop. Over the week, massive 253% up guys, with a major peak here late last week. As you can see, major increases here, dropping back down, and right now picking back up in value, and over the month an overall 175%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has also gone up by 66% in the last 24 hours, making it $26 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Velo. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. And especially in the last few hours here, there's no doubt that the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours, as more and more people start to trade the crypto, buyers and sellers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Velo, which at the moment is here in purple at 0.003997. However, it is trading at double, it's more than double its value at 0.008897, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see that the blue and the orange line are both looking very bullish, very positive. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. Again, that means that a slight drop in value is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting it to slightly drop back down to around 0.008 cents in target, or just below that. Again, that doesn't mean that it's not going to pump anymore. Of course, it's likely to pump over the next couple of hours, nearly hitting the 1 cent target, and then slowly starting to drop back down in value, down to about 0.008 cents is what I'm expecting in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. So once again guys, it's not looking too realistic because it's looking very steep guys, meaning yes, in this case I'm expecting an overall increase in value over the coming days from Velo, but again, nothing major, nothing too crazy. So potentially going past the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting from Velo towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Potentially hitting about 0.016 to 0.017 is where I'm expecting Velo to be trading at towards the end of this week and early next week. However, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to take red days in between, take a little step back, take a little breather, and then pump back up in value. But as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And at this point, yes, it does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We're still looking steep, but not as steep as the previous two charts, meaning it's looking much more realistic, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say early to mid-April 2023, I am again expecting an overall increase from Velo, but at this point we should be trading around the 3 cents target. Yes, I know 3 cents may seem like a crazy increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to keep pumping and keep on the green side over the next approximately 2 months, I'm pretty sure Velo should be able to hit the 3 cents target, or even higher than that, depending on any major crashes or bull runs and price pumps that take place in the crypto market. But anything like that, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on the crypto market and any updates that come across. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Velo, except the short term, guys. For those of you guys who are looking to go short term on Velo, personally, guys, I wouldn't invest into it right now, only because, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to take a little step back, a little breather, to drop back down. But again, if you guys feel like it is a good time, go for it. I'm not here to say invest or don't invest. I'm just here to give you guys my prediction and my take on Velo. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. Unfortunately, there isn't much we can do here. This Fibonacci scale and the chart basically reminds me of Jasmine, because it's in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to even hit the resistance target here, we're gonna have to hit 50 cents, guys. So going from not even 1 cent to 50 cents is gonna require a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Velo anytime soon. So more or less this year and the next couple of years is very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we slowly and steadily start to move upwards towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But yeah, for now anyway, for the next couple of years, we are stuck in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Velo, guys. What I want you guys to do in the comment section down below is comment down below what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments saying it's a pump and dump token. Others have been saying, you know what, they've invested into it and they're going to be holding on to it for the long run, so on and so on. But yeah, comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.